Friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to private chat in Roblox or how to private message in Roblox. So open the Roblox app on your phone, and once you open, guys, just choose a friend that you want to message. Like I have two friends right now, and one is Simons and one is Chatty Me. So I'm gonna choose Simon to private message. Just click on it, and now click tap on the chat option. So when you chat option, it will take you to the chat options, and now click on the chat option. Now you can chat your friend privately. So if you message with him in this section, it will be private, not public. So you can privately message him in this section. So, and if you want to private chat with your friend in game, then what you need to do, you have to go to you have to enter the game and just tap on the message section. And once you tap on the message section, just type slash w and the username of your friend's name. So like my friend's name is username is like I am and something like that. And after that, you can write any message to him. So it by writing this slash and w, it will send your message privately to your friend. But without typing slash w, it will uh, send the message publicly to your friend, and where third person can also see that message. So if you want to private message with your friend, then choose the chat option, or you can use the slash w to send message privately for to your friend in game itself. So yeah, I hope you get it, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.